Have you ever found yourself on an image, PDF, or web page in a different language and struggling to understand it? Then I've got a perfect AI tool for you. This tool makes the translation effortlessly. And even this is an extension, so you can open this tool on any web page and translate it right away. So let's check out how does it work. First, visit the tools website. You will find the link in the description. Click on the login button at the top right and sign in using your Google account. Just a heads up, this is an extension, this is not a standalone software. So once you logged in, install the extension by clicking on install extension. Then select add to Chrome and finally click on add extension. With the extension installed, you can now access its dashboard, where you will find various translation features including text translation, image translation, PDF translation, and even website translation. So this allows you to read your content in your preferred language. So let's start with text translation feature. Click on it, enter the text you want to translate and choose the source language. If you're unsure, the auto detect option will recognize it for you, same like Google Translation. Next, select the target language and hit translate. The translated text will appear on the site. You can also switch the search engine or listen to the translation by clicking on the voice icon. Okay, so pretty cool, right?
Yes.
Now let's check out the image language translation feature. So click on it and select the language you want to translate into. Upload an image containing text and the tool will automatically detect the language and translate it for you. You can also change the search engine here if needed. Another great feature, right? Moving on to PDF translation. Click on PDF translation option. Choose your target language and upload your PDF. The translated text will appear on the right. Again, you can change the search engine if needed. Handy, isn't it?
Yes.
Finally, let's explore the web page translation. Open any web page in Chrome, then click on the Lufe AI extension icon. Go to the setting, select the source and the target language, and choose a translated services. You will find option like always translate this site, enable text selection translation, and always translate English pages. Once you enable your preferred setting, click translate. So there is a shortcut key. For Microsoft, it will be Ctrl+Shift+L, and for the Mac user, it would be Ctrl+Shift+L option. So you will see the entire web page translated instantly. So this tool is really useful for me. So if you found my video helpful, make sure you like the video and subscribe my channel. See you in the next one.